Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the deer entity from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the snout. Let's start with a curve up, and let's bring it down. And let's do the same thing down underneath. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw a circle. Now let's color the nose in black. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. From both sides, let's bring it down. And then a long curve down and back up to close off the bottom. Now inside, let's do the same thing to form a border. And color the middle section in black. Now that we're done the mouth, let's move back up to the top and draw the eyes. On the top corners, let's draw a big oval. And then another one inside each of these. And now let's color these both in black. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it down. And at the bottom, let's curve it out and back in. Now let's add another V-shaped point on both sides. And then one more curve into the side of the mouth. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move to the top and draw the antlers. On the top left, let's draw 2 angles up. And the same on the right side. Now from each of these lines, let's bring it up. Then from both of the middle lines, let's draw an angle up and down to form a point. Now from the other line, we're going to bring it out, a large angle up and back in. And then let's bring it back in towards the center, leaving a gap. Now in that gap there, let's draw 2 angles up. Now for the top part of the antlers, we're going to angle it up and out on both sides like this. Then for the ends, let's bring it up and angle it in. Then let's follow those same angles back down. So from the top, let's bring it back in. Another set of angles down. And then 2 more angles meeting at a point. And that's it for the antlers. Now underneath, let's draw the ears. Let's start under the antlers on the head and let's draw a curve up and over. And then let's bring it back in with a wavy line underneath. And now let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve out and bring it in, and the same on the right. Now let's add a point out, another one underneath, and then one more smaller one back into the bottom of the mouth. Now we're going to leave a gap on both sides and let's draw a curve down and back in. And then 2 lines down for the sides of the body. Next from the bottom, let's curve it in, leaving a gap in the center. And then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now on the sides, let's draw the arms. On both sides, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it back in. Then let's hop in and let's draw another point in the same way. Then let's add 2 angles down underneath. And close off the bottom with a curve. Now for the next part of the arms, let's draw an angle out and a shorter one underneath. Now from the top, let's draw 2 points up and then 2 underneath. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines down and in. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a curve in and back up for the first finger. Now for the next one, let's draw a bent line underneath. And bring it back up in the same way. Now let's hop up from the bottom and let's draw another bent line. And bring it back up. And let's draw another finger in the same way going outwards. And then one more line up to close off the hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Underneath the sides of the body, let's draw a long curve down. And then let's curve it back up and in at the bottom. Now for the other side of the legs, we're going to hop in and let's draw 2 curves. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw a small curve in towards the center. Now underneath, let's bring it down and up on both sides. And let's do it one more time underneath. And one more line down. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw another angle down. And close off the bottom with a curve. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's draw 2 angles down underneath each leg. and then close them off with a curve at the bottom. And that's it for the deer. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!